Get started with the correct figure on Usawa by adding an opening balance for your businesses. To add opening balance on Usawa, kindly follow this process. Go to Settings. Click on Opening Balance. Enter your opening date. For example, 1st of January 2024. And the next step is to enter your account balances. To do that, please kindly scroll down. Click on Show All Accounts. Now enter your account balances. For example, account receivable is 5 million. Account payable is 4 million. Access Bank account is 200,000. Ordinary shares of 1 million. I also want to add non-current asset or a fixed asset. Building 5 million. To complete the process, kindly scroll down and save. Thank you for your time. See you in my next video. Bye.